Hey girlies, another day, another collaboration secured, and I show you exactly how inside the wig influencer code. Y'all, when I tell y'all UNice did not come to play with this wig, they said, let me give y'all something, okay? Something that's pre-plucked, something that's pre-bleached, something that's pre-cut, something that's glueless that you can throw on straight out of the freaking box. This is their fluffy, well, I can't say that word right. Fluffy loose wave curtain bangs wig. She's 24 inches. It's a 7x5 lace, of course, like closure. And it's 180% intensity. And just look at her, y'all. Look at the quality. It didn't have any type of smell. It was very soft. It was literally ready to install. Now, I'm showing you guys two ways you can add volume to your bang. You can either roll it all the way up to the top, like I'm showing you guys here, or you can start and roll it at the bottom halfway. Now, depending on how high up or how low you keep that curler is going to determine the volume of your bangs. Okay, now we're going to go in and tint the lace. I'm using my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. This is in the level 12, and sometimes I mix the shade, sometimes I don't. Lately I have not. So I'm using the darker shade, and I'm just going to tap this all over the outside of the lace. We're not using any type of lace adhesive today. I'm just adjusting the elastic band, and girl, we're good to go. Now we're going to remove this curler and we're going to fix up the bang. The bang is a little bit long, okay? So you can trim them to your liking. As you guys can see, this is the scalp, okay? And it is glueless. I ain't holding y'all. I'm not capping. Definitely glueless. Now they do have Bye Nice tape just in case you want more security. I definitely would recommend the tape if you're going to be doing updo styles. I'm just saying. So now I'm just going to get rid of some of the volume that I had in the bangs. I love my bangs to be a little bit flat. That's just my personal opinion, but you can do what you like. We're going to go ahead and straighten up this part because it is giving a little crooked. Okay, now I just might be saying crooked on my head, to be honest. And we're going to follow up with some wax and hot comb that bad boy down. Go ahead and put some heat protectant spray. This is Beyond the Zone. I love this stuff. However, if you spray too much, your hair will be way down and greasy, and you don't want it. So just be light-handed with this product. Now for the curls, I am recurling the unit, and I'm doing curls away from my face. I'm using my favorite flat iron. This is the Airflow by Tymo. And one thing I love about this flat iron specifically for curling, that it is cooling down the curls all at the same time while you're curling it. That means, you know how I'm taking these pins and, and setting the curls, you technically don't have to do that because the curls are completely cooled off the time you get done, which is a freaking amazing. But anyway, I wanted to set the curls because I wanted my curls to last long. Also, to have your curls lasting long, you have to have good quality hair. You have to have hair that holds curls. And when I tell you my curls, it's the next day and I'm taking off the wig, but the curls are still in my unit. Don't play with UNice, okay? Don't play. I love me a unit that can actually hold a curl. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and define the part just to make it look a little bit more alive. And I do use the lighter shade to do this. As you can see, everything still looks seamless and blends in perfectly fine. Look at these freaking curls. They are so freaking pretty. I love how they turned out. Now, UNice took their time and layered the unit, okay? They layered it for us. They did that, okay? So I didn't even cut into the unit at all. Only thing I did cut was the bang. Look at how fluffy, and look at all that volume. Look at all that shine. That's just freaking insane, okay? So if you have problems layering your unit, UNice took care of that for you. Now I did burn myself fixing them bangs again. I was like, girl. So this is how the first style turns out. Bust down middle part with bangs, beautiful, sexy curls. Don't even play, y'all. I need me a good dress. Oh, this would have ate down. It would have ate down. Anyway, we're going in to take some hair out on the sides because, of course, we got to do an updo. Like, why not? So I'm going to do a half up, half down style. It does not have to be kneed and laid. This is supposed to be a sexy, loose type of updo style, okay? You just want everything flowing like you some type of goddess. That's the vibe we're going for here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and gather everything up into the ponytail. You don't want the ponytail weak and thin, so add some more hair. You know, some people, when they be doing that half up, half down, they don't add no hair to the ponytail and it be looking thin. Like, girl, what is you doing? Put as much hair as you can into that pony. And like I said, you do not want it to be nice and neat. The point of it is to be, you know, messy and fun and carefree, and that's the vibes that I'm going for. So we're gonna go ahead and tease the ponytail to have it more volume. And this is how it turned out. Now I did add a bow just to see what the vibes would give. Don't even play. Now I should have used a black one, maybe a white one, I don't know, y'all, but I think it's cute. It's definitely giving me 90s. Nobody can tell me nothing, okay? So for the last style, I am going to put everything up into a messy ponytail. This is for the girls who don't like that hair on their shoulders. They just want everything out of their face, and they just want a little bit of curls just framing their face. This is the style that we're going to go for that. Now, if I turned around and showed y'all the back of my head, y'all would have seen the braids up underneath there. So I definitely advise you to leave just a little bit of hair out in the back, you know, and curl it up so it can just look more put together. Like, if you don't care by any means necessary, you can just go out in the street like that. And trust me and believe, I've done it before. So I'm, you know, and I would be like, girl, you got to worry about what's going on in the back of my head, not me. Now this style was definitely giving me like nostalgia because this is the style I seen my mama, you know, wear growing up, and baby, we bringing it back. It's like every generation pretty much mimics every style, nothing new under the sun. So all I did was, you know, stick some hair clips in there. I definitely would recommend bobby pins, but I ain't had that. Freestyling the curls in the front. Again, we don't need everything nice, neat, and laid. We just want them loose and flowy. And that is going to be that on that, y'all. I feel like it's turned out super duper cute. I like it. I really like it. But again, if I had on a different outfit, I just feel like your outfit has to match your hair, or you're going to feel overly done, like too done up. So anyway, it still turned out cute. Let me know what you guys thought of the styles that I showed you guys. I'll be sure to link this unit in the description section below. And yeah, until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.